Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Vocable. So this tool will help you to generate different kinds of content for multiple platforms. And it should be able to give you the opportunity to post automatically on those platforms. We'll see how it works. So first you will generate your brand profile. It can do that by getting information from your website. Then you choose on which platforms you would like to get the content. It will be written content for different platforms. You can then analyze the quality of the generated content with built-in content analyzer. And yeah, you will be able to publish to WordPress, Webflow, Wix, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. You can create multiple brand voices, and if you are running an agency, maybe license tier 3 will be a better option. And if you would need integrations, seems like it is the ability to post, for example, to Twitter, then you would need a license tier 3. Okay, so let's take a look at Vocable. First, I've created brand voice. So I've provided the link to my website and I've got the description, the value proposition. I had to update the name of the brand. And it captured pretty well the brand proposition. And so how do you work with this tool? You need to select a particular brand, choose the goal. Well, let it be engagement. You might give a particular task, select platforms where you would like to get the content. Here I'm not sure should I click generate or start a new campaign. Let's start with generate. I think it is the same. So I believe it would provide 30 days worth of content for multiple channels, but let's see. And here we are. Alright, so I like how it is structured. Well, first of all, you get the so-called Kanban view where you can move the tasks. For example, you've posted this already, then you move that from in progress to review to approved. That thing I like. We can have the list view. We can filter by status. For example, we can see only published ones. At the moment, I don't have any, but you get the idea. And yeah, you get the calendar view to visualize when you would like to post your content. So let's take a look at the content. So you would get the ideas for YouTube video. And of course, the more detailed your brand voice will be, the more information you have on your website, then the more detailed brand voice the tool will be able to generate you, and the better content you will get. Okay, what else do we have? We have a Medium post. It gives the description, but let's see what else can we do here. I think we can, using this brief, we can generate the content. Yeah. At first, I thought that the briefs that I was seeing, those are the content, but actually no, that's the content plan, and for each brief, you would need to generate the content. Okay, so we've got our content generated. We get that to the editor automatically. then it is automatically scored by different parameters. So yeah, now we can publish that. I don't have connected channels, but I think if I had another plan, I would be able to do that. All right, let's go back to the plan. So yeah, now you get the idea. So we have the plan and we'll need to generate content. So if we click view content, yeah, it will start generating. All right. It would be nice if you could do that automatically for all of your briefs, but well, it is what it is. And still you would need to view the particular brief, maybe update that, and then generate the content. You can manage your campaigns here, edit, delete. So inside the library, you would have your generated content. And here we can see the integrations you can set up to be able to post automatically to these platforms. We also have the templates. Not sure if you can add your own. Yeah, I think you cannot add anything, but you can just generate a blog post using a predefined template, or in this case, it is blog outline. Yep, so I think it is a pretty nice idea. So you get the content strategy or content plan for your particular brand. And what I like is that you can manage that in so-called Kanban view, where you have the columns, where you can track the progress and track what is approved and published. You can see that in a calendar view as well. All right. So yeah, that is Vocable. So it is, I think, a pretty nice helper tool. It will help you to organize and plan your content for your particular brand. So to get Vocable, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.